family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we are back with another video. And basically I'm just doing a simple get ready with me. I don't do my eyebrows or my eyeshadow on camera. There's a separate video on both of these parts of my face that's going up prior to this video, so go check those out. And if you just want to see how I achieve this base and this lip combo and this highlight, bronzer, blush, you know, all that good stuff, then just keep on watching. So my eyebrows and my eyeshadow is already done. I did a eyebrow routine, and then I'm doing a 2 looks 1 palette using a specific eyeshadow palette. So that video should be up before this video because I'm gonna do my eyebrow routine, then the 2 looks 1 palette, and then this video. So we're practically just using a full face of drugstore makeup. So let's get into it. Or affordable makeup technically, because not all of this you could get at the drugstore. So let's just stick with affordable makeup. So for moisturizer, I'm taking the 4th Ray Beauty Good Mood Gel Moisturizer. This stuff is bomb, and the packaging is everything. And it comes with that little lid thing. I keep mine because I feel like if they were meant to not be there, they wouldn't even include them in the first place, you know? So I'm just going to take what's on the cap and apply it to my face. Okay, it's safe to say that I applied way too much. I'm going to try to dab off some excess. Okay, so for primer, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Pore Blur Primer. Super cute packaging as well. You guys know I love all the packaging on my products. Like, if it ain't cute, it ain't mine. So this primer basically just blurs out your pores, and yeah, that is what the consistency looks like. Very thick, but when it comes out, it's like moussey kind of. So I just put some where I have pores. And then I rub out the excess towards the rest of my face. Okay, and for foundation, I'm trying something new. Well, it's not new because I've tried this foundation before, but I'm mixing something in with it because this foundation is a bit too light for me. So I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Color Foundation Mixing Pigment in yellow and mix it into this to see if that helps a bit. And I'm using the BH Cosmetics 123 brush. It's just a flat brush. I really like it for foundation. So I'm just going to mix them on the back of my hand. Am I out of this? There's no way. Alright, so I just did 2 pumps. Then I'm going to add like half a pump of the mixing pigment. And I'm going to use my concealer brush to mix that in. And hopefully this matches me a bit better. Gonna add a bit more of the yellow. And apply it with the brush to my face. Then I'm just going to pick up the excess on my hand with my brush and start blending that in. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to take my concealer, and for concealer, I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer and highlight my face. So, you know, under the eyes, bridge of the nose, center of the forehead, Cupid's bow, and my chin. And I'm going to use the same foundation brush to blend this out. Okay, so now I'm going to set the face down, and to set anywhere I put concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Light Medium 20. This is the best drugstore powder ever. So I'm just going to take this brush, it's like a tapered fluffy brush, and take whatever's in the cap and just press it into the skin. And then for the rest of my face, I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Pressed Powder in 332 Golden Caramel. And I will also swipe this over the loose powder so that everything looks nice and cohesive. Same brush. Okay, my face is looking hella dry, so I need to get rid of this powder look. So I'm going to take the Fourth Ray Beauty Fresh AF Mist, which looks like this. Pretty, it's just a facial mist, and spray that on. And while that's drying, I'm going to throw my phone on the charger because it's below 5%, and we'll be back to bronze, contour, highlight, and finish the rest of the face. Okay, so I let my phone charge for a bit. I didn't do anything to my face. I did touch up my hair so that when I'm done getting ready, I don't have to do that. So let's move on to bronzer. So for bronzer, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution bronzer in 02 Warm. This is their Mega Bronzer. And I'm going to be using the Real Techniques 201 brush. I have been loving this bronzer. Such a pretty color. Really nice and smooth and blends out like a dream. And then to make that look a bit sharper, I'm going to go back in with my Maybelline Loose Powder. Then for blush, I'm taking the e.l.f. Blush in Mellow Mauve, which is this bad boy right here. Super pretty color. And for that, I'm taking my AOA Studio F14 brush. It's like a angled contour brush. Just dipping in there and applying it to the apples of my cheeks and the tip of my nose. And then for highlight, I'm taking the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter in Champagne. This stuff is amazing. It's like I can't put it down. Really pretty print in it as well. And for that, I'm taking the Morphe M310 brush. It's a large fan brush. I mean, I think it's small because I have a large one from Shop Marseille, but that's what Morphe says is a large one. And then I forgot to contour my nose, so I'm going to go back into that Makeup Revolution bronzer. And I'm not going to take that big brush. I'm going to take the Morphe M501 brush and just contour my nose. And then if I ever go too harsh, I just take my powder brush and just blend it out. So I'm going to finish off my eyes off camera, and then I will be back to set everything down and do the lips. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Color Icon Lip Liner in Brandy Wine, which is a pretty burnt brown shade. Then I'm going to take the liquid lipstick from Makeup Revolution. This is in the shade Vow, really pretty nude shade. I'm going to place that in the center. And then to top it off, I'm going to be taking the Essence Shine 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 Lip Gloss, which is basically clear. It's just getting all fuzzy because I use it with lip color. And then to set everything down, I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. This is the coconut one. I'm not sure if they have any other ones, but this is what I'm using, so I don't know if I broke my mister or what, but that was aggressive. So I'm gonna touch up my hair, throw some accessories on, and I will be back for the outro. Okay, so this is the completed look, and I freaking love it. I love how vibrant that yellow is. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, I will leave a link up here or up here, whatever corner it pops up on, and you can go check out how I got this eye look in that video. But I'm in love with how the base came out. Everything looks so cohesive. If you enjoyed this video, drop a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys think, if you like the look, if you don't like the look. If you want to say, hey girl, hey. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. I would love to have you join the Rose family. And I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you are. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.